Hi everyone. I am back for the third and final segment of our family therapy session discussion post. And the third segment asks us to address how we might end the session, including any homework that we might suggest to help the family meet the goals that they have set for themselves. In the first segment, I mentioned a lot of follow up questions that I would have for the family, and I would incorporate the homework into those follow up questions. So, of course, the case study isn't going to give us every single detail. So there's a lot that we can kind of um, guess at, or kind of use our imagination for. So depending on the questions and how they were answered from the first segment that I had, such as them, mother, the father, whoever we identified in the session, getting a concrete diagnosis for their daughter. That would be homework if they had not already done so. If they had, great. Would delve more into the substance use with their daughter. It says the daughter used drugs to try to attempt suicide. I don't know if that's an ongoing problem or if she just used the one time, but finding that out and, knowing that and getting more knowledge of, substance use if they feel like their daughter does have an issue. Getting more knowledge of substance use in general because of the family history of alcoholism. That would be homework. Deciding if they wanted to do couples therapy along with the family therapy that we already have going on. That would be homework as well. Deciding if they want to do it. If so, what providers do they want to use and when do they want to start? So these are all just some follow up homework questions that can give us more to expand on the next session, and can just help give the family more insight into what's going on, better understanding of what's going on, and also hopefully give them some validation and some consolence, because they can see that it's not just a struggle that their family is dealing with, but it's something that a lot of families have dealt with or are dealing with currently.